a strain of the flu. I wish I could say that I'm sick of you, but I take what I can get. You ghost on my doorstep every Halloween. You leave like the dead and it kills me each time together.